Welcome to this episode of Estate Planning Secrets Revealed. I'm attorney Tony Bell, and today, in this episode and in some following subsequent episodes, we're going to be looking at the needs for real estate property owners, I should say, when it comes to estate plans and creating estate plans. Whether you are a seasoned investor in real estate or just getting started, regardless what it is, you need to have an adequate estate plan assembled. If you don't, you are jeopardizing all of your hard work and your investment. So that is why we're going to talk about some components of a good real estate plan or a real estate property owner estate plan in order to help you. Have you ever thought about what would happen to your rental properties when you're not around? Have you ever thought about that for very long? Estate planning is not just for the wealthy, it's not just for the elderly, but it is for everyone who wants to make sure that their families are taken care of after they're gone. Whether you have one rental property or whether you have a portfolio, having a solid estate plan is your way of securing your legacy. So now let's explore unique considerations that rental property owners face. Unlike traditional assets, rental properties come with their own specific and complex set of issues, especially when it comes to estate planning. For example, when you are establishing your estate plan, you have the issue of valuing your property. You must value your property correctly if you are going to have an efficient estate plan, because if you fail to do this, you can definitely bring on tax implications for those beneficiaries as well as for your estate itself. And so valuation is a unique consideration for real estate property owners when they're establishing their estate plan. Another specific issue that needs to be addressed is rental property income distribution. How do you want for the income of your rental property to be distributed when you are no longer around? Do you want it to be distributed continually on a month-to-month basis? Do you want it to bring the income into a certain bank account, invest that, and then redistribute parts of it? What do you want? And this is all part of the consideration of creating the estate plan when you are a real estate property owner. And so these are very important considerations. Another aspect of your estate plan is the management. How do you want for your real estate to be managed? How do you want your rentals to be managed? Do you want for there to be a management company that gets involved? Do you want for someone to manage the real estate and collecting rents and getting things fixed? All of this is part of your estate plan. And so when you are a real estate property owner, rental property owner, these are all considerations that you are going to need to face head on to ensure that your estate plan is efficient and that it is effective in carrying out your wishes. The significance of property assets being protected cannot be overstated. Your real estate investment may be one of the most valuable components of your entire estate plan. If you do not set up your estate plan correctly, you open yourself up and your property to greater taxation that needs to take place, possible mismanagement, and a host of other problems, tax implications. So you need to get this right. That is why you need to involve a legal professional who has experience in this, who has experience with rental properties, who knows some of these problems and challenges that you may be facing, and they can help you to put together an estate plan that faces all of these head on and can really help your property to not only just survive through the entire process of your transition, but also where it can start to appreciate in value even and grow as a continually growing asset that can fund your legacy for decades to come. I'm attorney Tony Bell, and this has been Estate Planning Secrets Revealed. Join me in upcoming episodes where we are going to delve even deeper into estate planning for real estate property rental property owners. I look forward to seeing you there, and have a great day.